Uh, uh, the storage capacity of a pen drive can be 512 MB to 64 GB and more than. It can hold large quantities of data. It is a small, lightweight, and portable device, so the user can take them wherever they go. Yes, user can take it anywhere and easily use it. Next, memory card. A memory card or flash card is an electronic flash memory data storage device used in many electronic devices like digital cameras, mobile phones, laptops, MP3 and MP4 players, and video games. They are small, re-recordable, and able to retain data from without power. Yes, to use the memory card or to retain, yeah, access the data from the memory card, there is no requirement of the power or electricity, yeah, any type of power. They can be accessed by the computer using the multimedia card reader. Next, Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a new type of optical storage device designed to supersede the DVD format. The plastic disc is the same size as DVDs and CDs. Yes, it is similar to CD and DVD. The name Blu-ray disc refers to a blue laser used to read the disc. Yes, it is called Blu-ray disc because to read the data from this disc is used a blue laser, which allows information to be stored at a greater density. It can store up to 25 GB of data, but to read and use the data, you require a Blu-ray disc player. Yes, to run a Blu-ray disc, we required a Blu-ray disc player. It can save the data more than a CD or DVD. The storage capacity of a Blu-ray disc can be 25 GB or can be 25 GB. Now, storage capacity. All the information, data, and instructions inside a computer get stored and processed as numbers. Computers use only two digits, 0 and 1. This is called binary codes. Binary code and 0 and 1 are called binary digits. Yes, in the computer, all the information, data, instructions saved or stored, processed by the binary codes in the form of binary codes. All the data saved in only two digits, 0 and 1. And both digits known as the bits. Memory of computer is measured in bits and bytes. A bit is the smallest unit of information that can be processed. A byte is a combination of 8 bits. It is the basic storage unit in the computer memory. One byte means one character. A character can be an alphabet, number, or a symbol. Yes, one byte means one character, and a character can be a letter, or a number, or a symbol. Now, the memory size 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. In short, kilobyte is known as KB. 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabyte or 1 MB. 1024 MB is equal to 1 gigabyte, means 1 GB. 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte, means 1 TB. 1024 TB is equal to 1 petabyte, 1 PB. 1024 PB is equal to 1 exabyte. 1 EB. 1024 EB is equal to 1 zettabyte. 1 ZB. And 1024 ZB is equal to 1 yottabyte. 1 YB. So these are the units, storage units